Hold on to your mugs, folks. We're about to embark on a journey that might just change the way you look at your morning brew. Did you know we produce over 18 million tons of coffee grounds globally each year? That's right, 18 million tons. It's hard to even fathom that amount, and where does most of it end up? You guessed it, landfills. That's a whole lot of Java going straight to landfills, contributing to the ever-growing waste problem. Imagine mountains of coffee just sitting there, wasted. It's not just a waste of coffee, but a waste of potential. Now, I love a good cup of joe as much as the next person, but this got me thinking, what if we could find a way to repurpose these coffee grounds? There's got to be a better way. A way to turn this so-called waste into something valuable, something useful. We're talking about perfectly good, useful stuff ending up in the trash. It's almost criminal when you think about it. Stuff that can actually save you money. Intrigued? You should be. Because what if I told you that those coffee grounds could be used in ways you never imagined? Let's dive into the surprising world of coffee grounds and unlock their hidden potential. From enriching your garden soil to exfoliating your skin, the possibilities are endless. Coffee grounds can be a natural fertilizer, helping your plants grow stronger and healthier. They can also be used as a natural pest repellent, keeping those pesky insects at bay. But that's not all. Coffee grounds can be used in DIY projects like making candles or soap. Imagine the rich, aromatic scent of coffee filling your home. It's not just practical, it's delightful. And did you know coffee grounds can be used for cleaning? They are great for scrubbing pots and pans, removing stubborn stains, and even deodorizing your fridge. In skincare, coffee grounds can be a game changer. They make an excellent exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin glowing and smooth. So next time you brew a pot of coffee, think twice before tossing those grounds. With a little creativity, you can turn waste into something wonderful. Let's make the most of our coffee, one cup at a time. Here's the deal. Coffee grounds are like secret agents for savings. They're unassuming, often overlooked, but pack a powerful punch when it comes to stretching your dollar. We're not just talking pennies here, folks. By repurposing coffee grounds, you can cut down on expensive fertilizers, air fresheners, and even beauty products. Yeah, you heard that right. Coffee grounds can do it all. And the best part? It's easy peasy. Know you've been a good friend. Used coffee grounds aren't just leftover muck, they're chock full of nitrogen, a key nutrient for healthy plants. They also contain potassium and phosphorus, rounding out a trifecta of plant-boosting power. But wait, there's more! Coffee grounds can neutralize odors thanks to their porous nature and nitrogen content. And for all you DIY beauty gurus out there, coffee grounds can exfoliate, depuff, and even add shine to your skin and hair. Who knew? Think about it. Every time you toss those coffee grounds, you're essentially throwing money away. You're reaching for store-bought fertilizers, odor eliminators, and beauty treatments when you have a perfectly good free alternative right there in your kitchen. Over time, these small purchases add up. But by embracing the power of coffee grounds, you can reclaim those dollars and put them towards something more exciting. Like, say, a fancy new coffee maker to fuel your newfound coffee ground obsession. From trash to treasure, ingenious uses for used coffee grounds. Ready to transform your coffee routine and your budget? Let's get practical. Here are some innovative ways to use those coffee grounds. Gardening superstar. Coffee grounds make fantastic fertilizer, providing essential nutrients for your plants. Odor assassins say goodbye to stinky fridges and musty closets. Coffee grounds absorb and neutralize unpleasant smells. DIY beauty guru whip up homemade scrubs and masks for glowing skin and luscious hair. Coffee grounds in the garden, rich fertilizer for happy plants. Don't underestimate the power of coffee grounds in the garden. Their slightly acidic nature makes them ideal for acid-loving plants like roses, blueberries, and azaleas. Sprinkle a thin layer around the base of your plants, or mix it into the soil before planting. But hold your horses. Moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can actually harm your plants. Start with a light hand and observe how your plants respond. They'll thank you for it. Banishing odors with coffee, a natural and effective solution. Tired of artificial air fresheners that mask odors with overpowering scents? Coffee grounds are your new best friend. Their porous nature acts like a sponge, absorbing and neutralizing unpleasant smells. Place a bowl of dried coffee grounds in your fridge to absorb lingering food odors. Tuck a small sachet of coffee grounds in your gym bag or shoes to combat stink. You can even sprinkle coffee grounds down the garbage disposal for a quick and easy odor refresh. Section 8. Coffee grounds for beauty, surprising skin, and hair benefits. Believe it or not, coffee grounds can do wonders for your skin and hair. This common kitchen ingredient is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can rejuvenate your skin and give your hair a healthy boost. The caffeine in coffee grounds can help to tighten and brighten skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and puffiness. It stimulates blood flow, which can make your skin look more vibrant and youthful, while the grounds themselves act as a natural exfoliant, sloughing away dead skin cells. This helps to reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion underneath. Regular exfoliation with coffee grounds can also help to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Mix coffee grounds with coconut oil for a hydrating body scrub. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing properties, and when combined with coffee grounds, it creates a luxurious scrub that leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Combine coffee grounds with honey and yogurt for a gentle face mask. Honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin, while yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and brightens. This combination can help to soothe and nourish your skin, leaving it looking refreshed and glowing. You can even rinse your hair with brewed coffee to add shine and enhance dark hair colors. The caffeine in coffee can stimulate hair follicles, promoting healthier and stronger hair growth. Plus, the natural pigments in coffee can deepen and enrich dark hair tones, giving your hair a beautiful, glossy finish. Massaging coffee grounds into your scalp can also help to exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and buildup that can clog hair follicles. This can lead to a healthier scalp environment, which is essential for strong and healthy hair growth. So next time you make a cup of coffee, don't throw away those grounds. Instead, use them to pamper your skin and hair. With these simple and natural beauty treatments, you can enjoy the surprising benefits of coffee grounds and achieve a radiant, healthy look. Section 9. The easiest way to save coffee grounds as compost superheroes. Here's the easiest, most impactful way to use coffee grounds and save money: composting. Coffee grounds are often seen as waste, but they are actually a hidden treasure for your garden. Instead of throwing them away, you can repurpose them to create a powerful compost that will benefit your plants immensely. Adding coffee grounds to your compost bin introduces valuable nitrogen, helping to create a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. Nitrogen is a crucial component for plant growth, and coffee grounds provide it in abundance. This makes your compost more balanced and effective in promoting healthy plant development. Simply toss your used coffee grounds into your compost bin, along with other organic materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, yard waste, and shredded paper. The combination of these materials creates a perfect environment for microorganisms to break down the organic matter, turning it into rich compost. Turn the compost regularly to ensure proper aeration. Aeration is essential because it allows oxygen to reach the microorganisms that are breaking down the organic matter. Without sufficient oxygen, the composting process can slow down or even stop, leading to unpleasant odors and incomplete compost. And in a few months, you'll have nutrient-rich black gold to nourish your garden. This finished compost can be used to enrich your soil, providing your plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. Not only does this save you money on commercial fertilizers, but it also helps reduce waste and supports a more sustainable gardening practice. So next time you brew a cup of coffee, remember that those grounds are more than just leftovers. They are compost superheroes. Section 10. Coffee grounds. A resource, not trash. Remember those mountains of wasted coffee grounds we talked about? Let's change the narrative. Coffee grounds are not trash. They're a valuable resource waiting to be tapped. By embracing these simple yet effective uses, we can reduce waste, save money, and live a little bit greener. So next time you brew a pot of coffee, don't just toss those grounds in the trash. Give them a second life and reap the rewards. Your wallet, your garden, and the planet will thank you. Section 11. Embrace the power of coffee grounds and save. We've covered a lot of ground here, pun intended. From banishing odors to fertilizing gardens, the possibilities with coffee grounds are truly impressive. And the best part, these simple swaps can save you a pretty penny in the long run. So, go forth and experiment. Embrace the power of coffee grounds and discover a world of savings and sustainable living, one cup at a time.